First step, download the update files to the computer. Second step, insert the U-disk into the computer, and then confirm that the U-disk is FAT32 system file format. If not, it needs to be formatted into FAT32 format first. Then copy the upgrade file to the root directory of the U-disk. When the copy is completed, uninstall the U-disk from the computer. Insert the U-disk into USB interface of set-top box. Open Sideload Launcher and select Update Application. Press the OK button to enter. Move the cursor to Local Update. Press OK button to select the upgrade file. Move the cursor to Confirm button and press OK button to upgrade. The upgrade process will take 3 minutes approximately. Please don't power off during the upgrading. After upgrade finished, the box will reboot automatically. After the upgrade is successful, need to do the factory reset first. Open Settings Device Preferences menu, find out the reset item, and press OK key into submenu. Move the cursor to reset item. Press OK button to do the factory reset.